Hi guys, this is Chanell, and today, you guys, I got a budget binder. Now, YouTube, y'all my baby. Y'all gonna be forever ones getting stuff seen first before I show social media. So, I'm doing a budget binder, and I said, why not pick up the camera and start recording? So that's what I did, and already done completed 2. So it says shopping. I know the H and the O. I know y'all. I am completely getting tired of. So this is Caesar. Oh, it don't say on the back. This is Caesar's transfer tape. We're gonna try Caesar's transfer tape. I hope it picks up this whole thing, because I don't know why I thought it would work. Now I got Y and D. First off, my cutting. Okay, it's got baby. Spray. Whole thing. I'm sure I have to. So the tape did pick it up. It's just I gotta keep scraping this stuff down until I don't feel none of them on the sheet. That M is gonna come up too. So I'll be back when everything is done. I'm back, and look y'all. Yeah, I forgot the eye, but it's okay. Phone bill. So that's 3 down. Have to fight with these hoes. You got to fight with these hoes. Alright, y'all. I ain't got none of these. Oh, y'all gonna shake too. I'm shaking the table. I'm shaking the table up. Cause all these hoes gonna stick. Don't come for me because for one, my kids don't drink lemonade, and two, I have a room. I'm in my room where I have my own little refrigerator underneath this table, and that's where that came from. I'm gonna get on the game tonight, but I don't want to get on the game and then start, because I want to play GTA, you know. Because both of my sons will be asleep. Okay. Cause what? It's starting to come up. It's starting to come up. Stay. As well. Add up this whole description and really like beat this tape up. Like, yeah, I'm real life beating this tape up. Like, this tape ain't gonna be playing with me. This hoe ain't gonna be playing with me. When I tell her to get up off this paper. This hoe wanna be a rider down on the paper. Yeah, not the dot back on the paper. Which is why I don't give a damn about the dots. Alright, I'll be back when I finish beating this hoe. I'm gonna get a video, but subscription fees, you know, Hulu and all that other stuff. Them fees. Last but not least, that I do have, because I gotta go back and print out more. Trying to clean my area. Okay, this is trash. We have inventory. Y'all know I'm a businesswoman, and my brand is everything to me. So why not have a slot where I dedicate it to my inventory? Why not have an inventory slot? Like, you won't have to worry about where you're spending your money on and what you're doing. So now I could really plan out inventory money. Because I bet y'all watch everybody's budget planner. They always doing the same stuff. Same thing. They never do like anything different. So I'm gonna be different. I'm gonna be that different big. I'm gonna be very different. So now I gotta really like put my finger, like press my finger down and then scrape. to get up. I have to end. I need to eat. We're not doing this. We're not doing this. Because what in the world? Okay, cool. The last one, and I gotta struggle. And I gotta struggle. So, we have inventory, and we're missing certain letters. Now, on the letters, you can see it did pick up everybody. Alright, see? It picked up everybody. It picked up inventory. But inventory one is stupid. I heard people say, put your tape back because tape is everything. So I put that tape back. I'm going to go back in and I am going to ride each other's way. Like, get that home. Why y'all being a difficult baby? Like, I'm gonna smoothie it down. And I'm gonna rub it better. I'm gonna smoothie it down. So, look here. You the only one here. The only one here. And we're gonna get these stuff up there. What's I say? She really is not eating. And boom. Y'all just witnessed me struggle. Struggle to get inventory. And I knew the R wasn't gonna be straight, but it's alright. So, out of the 5, I can say I can put these in my budget planner now. Y'all just don't be around. That's why you married. Exactly why. So which one I go first? Subscription fee. Can I do subscription fees upside down? Y'all, I did subscription fees upside down. Oh, this is my budget planner. I don't care. I'm gonna do it the other way. Subscription fee. Shopping. I wish I do shopping that way so y'all could read saying shopping. I don't care. I've been struggling. Vacation. My vacation went that way. Okay. The vacation. Phone bill. Oh, because I am doing it the right way. Inventory. Phone bill. Vacation. Shopping. Subscription fees. And your budget sheets. And extra ones. So, I'm gonna go back in. Because now I'm gonna move on to the I'm going back and I'm deleting the ones that did not make it through, and that was self-care and my babies. So self-care and my babies are next, and then we're going to move into decorating the outfront. Okay, y'all, so it's all done. I am so in love. After These are slippers, but it's the way I did them. It's okay. It represents me. I like to be comfortable. I sell lashes. Chanell. Inventory, phone bill, vacation, shopping, subscription fees. Should I turn it the other way? Yeah, it's supposed to be the other way. Okay. We're gonna turn it the other way. Okay. Subscription fees, self-care, because subscription fees is upside down, but it's okay, it's mine. And my babies, meaning what they need and I need to get it for them. So this is my cute little budget binder. It's super cute, super neat. I'm adding a little bit more right here, probably like a t-shirt, because I do custom t-shirts, so it just represents me. So cute. I'm gonna put it back how it came in because I don't want nobody touching it but me. So every time I get paid, I'm gonna take the money out and I'm gonna budget my money through it. So yeah, that's super cute, super me. I thought this was a cute project to do. I had so much fun doing it. Yeah. So if you like more videos of me doing DIYs on stuff such as pillows, t-shirts, budget binders, which is coming soon to my website, please let me know in a comment. And yeah, y'all. Bye.